Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying hard at home. Today we will do mathematics worksheet number 1, the worksheet that I have given you to solve by yourself. Today we will solve the worksheet, and all of you, I request you to please cross check if you have already solved it, and also to note it down in your notebooks that you have already got from the school. Now let's come to the first question. The first question was, Gracie has sold 10 kg of swordfish. How much money did she get if 1 kg is rupees 60? Now first understand the question. Gracie has sold how many kgs? 10 kgs of swordfish, and the price of 1 kg is 60 rupees. Then the question is, how much money did she get if she is selling 10 kg of swordfish? Let's come to the solution. First line we will get from the question itself. Price of 1 kg of swordfish equals to rupees 60. This is in the question itself. Second line, quantity of swordfish Gracie sold is 10 kg. This also we have got from the question itself. So total money she would get equals to rupees 60 into 10. Why 60 into 10? Because we know if 1 kg of swordfish is 60 rupees, then 10 kg swordfish will be more than 60. The quantity or amount of anything, if it increases, we multiply. So we will get 600 rupees. So the answer is 600. We will write the statement. Therefore, Gracie would get rupees 600 after selling 10 kg of swordfish. Have you understand this? Gracie is selling 10 kg of swordfish, and after selling 10 kg, she will get 600 rupees as her earning. Now come to the second question. The second question is, Anu is a fisherwoman. She is selling a kingfish weighing 6 kg for rupees 1800. At what price per kg Anu would sell the kingfish? Now understand the question first. Anu is a fisherwoman. She is selling what? She is selling kingfish. And now she is selling a whole 6 kg of kingfish at rupees 1800. 1 kg price is not given in the question. So we have to find out first of all selling price of the kingfish. We will write in the first line. Solution number 2. The first line we have got from the question itself. So selling price of kingfish is 1800. Total weight of the kingfish is 6 kg. It is also in the question. Third line will be, so selling price of kingfish per kg. Per kg means 1 kg equals to 1800 divided by 6. We can write this in two format, by 6 or divided by 6. We will get the answer 300. Therefore, selling price per kg of kingfish is rupees 300. Why we are dividing it? Because we know if the selling price of 6 kg is 1800, then the selling price for 1 kg will always reduce, and when something is reducing, we always divide it. Okay students, have you understood this one? So selling price per kg of kingfish means 1 kg of kingfish is 300. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. What will be the price of 2 kg of kingfish if 8 kg is 1200? Now understand the question first. What will be the price of 2 kg of kingfish if 8 kg is 1200? 1 kg price is not given, and we are asked 2 kg of the price for 2 kg of kingfish. So first we have to find out the 1 kg price, then we have to find out the 2 kg price. Now let's come to the solution. First line will be selling price of kingfish equals to 1200. This we have got from the question itself. Second line, total weight of kingfish is 8 kg. Third line, so selling price of kingfish per kg. First we will find out the cost of 1 kg of kingfish. Why? Without 1 kg of kingfish we cannot find the weight of 2 kg of kingfish. That's why we are using the unitary method. First we will find out the cost of or the price of 1 kg of kingfish. For that we will do what? 1200 divided by 8. Why divide? Again, if 8 kg price is 1200, 1 kg price will always be less than that. That's why we will divide it. After dividing we will get 150 rupees. This is the cost or this is the price for 1 kg of kingfish. Now the selling price of 2 kg of kingfish will be 150 into 2, that is 300 rupees. Therefore selling price of 2 kg of kingfish is how much? 300 rupees. So first we will use the unitary method, divide, then we will multiply. Now come to the question number 4. What will be the price of 2 kg of prawns if 1 kg is rupees 150? First understand the question. If the price of prawn, that is 1 kg of prawn, is 150 rupees, then we have to find out the cost of or the price of 2 kg of prawns. Now it is very easy question because 1 kg price is already given. So we will just have to find out the 2 kg price. Let's come to the solution. First line, selling price of 1 kg of prawn equals to 150. We have got this from the question itself. Second line, so the selling price of 2 kg of prawn will be 150 into 2. Why we are multiplying? Because if 1 kg prawn is 150, 2 kg prawn will be more than 150. That's why we are multiplying. So if we multiply 150 into 2, we will get 300 rupees. Therefore, selling price of 2 kg of prawn is how much? Rupees 300. So this is very easy question because 1 kg price was already given. If it would not be given in the question, then we have to find out. Now next question, number 5. What will be the price of 3 kg of sardines if 1 kg is rupees 40? Understand the question first. The price of sardine means 1 kg of sardine is rupees 40. We have to find out 3 kg price. Okay. So what will be the price of 3 kg of sardine? Again, 1 kg price is already given. So we don't have to find out the 1 kg price. We just have to find out the 3 kg price of sardines. Though this question is also very easy. Let's see. Selling price of 1 kg of sardines equals to rupees 40. This we have got from the question itself. Now next line. So selling price of 3 kg of sardines is rupees 40 into 3. Why 40 into 3? Because if 1 kg price is 40, then 3 kg price will increase only, and when something increases we multiply it. So therefore it will come rupees 120. So therefore we will write selling price of 3 kg of sardine is rupees 120. How we have got 120? By multiplying 40 into 3. 40 was the price for 1 kg of sardine and we have to find out the 3 kg of sardine. That's why we have multiplied 40 into 3. Next question, number 6. What will be the price of half kg of prawns if 1 kg is rupees 150? Now we have to find out the price for half kg of prawn. Half means 1 by 2, all of you know, or half means divided by 2. So if 1 kg price is given already, that is 150 rupees, then we are going to find out the price for half kg of prawns. So this is also very easy because 1 kg price is already given. Now let's see the solution. Price of 1 kg of prawn is rupees 150. We have got this line from the question itself. So price of half kg of prawn would be 150 by 2 or 150 into 1 by 2 or 150 divided by 2. Any one you can write. All the three are the synonymous of each other. It means the same. we are going to divide 150 by 2. Why? Because we are going to take out the half kg price of prawn. That's why. Now the answer will come rupees 75. Therefore, price of half kg of prawn is rupees 75. Have you understood, students, why we have done by half? Now come to the question number 7. What will be the price of half kg of kingfish if 1 kg is rupees 80? Now again this question is similar to question number 6. What will be the price of half kg of kingfish? Half kg of kingfish price we have to find out, and 1 kg price is already given, which is rupees 80. Now for this again we have to divide it by 2. Why we will divide by 2? Because we are going to find out the half kg price. Let's see the solution. Price of 1 kg of kingfish equals to rupees 80. So price of half kg of kingfish would be 80 by 2, or 80 into 1 by 2, or 80 divided by 2. When we divide 80 by 2 we get 40, right? So therefore price of half kg of kingfish is rupees 40. The first line we have got from the question itself. From the second line we have to solve it. It's very easy. This type of questions are, you are just going to divide it by 2 because you are going to take out the price of half kg. Okay students, so this question was also very easy to solve. I hope you have already solved it. Now question number 8. What will be the price of 2 kg of squid if 1 kg is rupees 50? 1 kg price is rupees 50. We are going to find out 2 kg of squid. So again 1 kg price is already given. So 1 kg price is given means it is easy for us to find out the price for 2 kg of squid, because we are not going to find the 1 kg and then again multiplying that. No, 1 kg price is already given. So we are going to find the price of 2 kg. Let's come to the solution. Price of 1 kg of squid is rupees 50. This we have got from the question itself. Second line, so price of 2 kg of squid will be 50 into 2. Why 50 into 2? Because we are going to find out the 2 kg price. And when 1 kg is 50 rupees, then 2 kg will be more than that. That's why we will multiply. So 100 rupees will come. Therefore, price of 2 kg of squid will be rupees 100. So this is the price of 2 kg of squid. And this is again very easy question, because 1 kg price was already given. So we don't have to find out the 1 kg. Now come to question number 9. What will be the price of half kg of sardines if 1 kg is rupees 40? Again the question of half kg. If you are going to find out the half kg of anything, you are just going to divide it by 2, or into 1 by 2 you can do, or by 2 also you can do. So this question is, if 1 kg sardines cost, or the price of 1 kg of sardine is rupees 40, then what will be the price of half kg of sardine? Again we have got the first line from the question itself. Price of 1 kg of sardine is rupees 40. We have got from the first line from the question. So price of half kg of sardine equals to rupees 40 by 2, or 40 into 1 by 2, or 40 divided by 2. Any one you can write. All the three steps, all the three types of things I have shown over here are synonymous to each other. Then equals to rupees 20 will come. Therefore price of half kg of sardine is rupees 20. When you divide 40 divided by 20, you will get 20 rupees. So the price for half kg of sardine is 20 rupees. Now come to question number 10. If Gracie sells 20 kg of swordfish, how much money she would make if 1 kg is rupees 60? First understand the question. Gracie is selling 20 kg of swordfish. How much money she would make means how much money she will get if 1 kg is 60 rupees. So again 1 kg price is given in the question. we are just going to find out what will be the price of 20 kg of swordfish. Now come to the solution part. Quantity of swordfish Gracie is selling. So this first line we have got from the question itself equals to 20 kg. Selling price of 1 kg of swordfish equals to rupees 60. Again this line also we have got from the question itself. Third line, so selling price of 20 kg of swordfish will be 60 into 20. Why 60 into 20? Because if 1 kg swordfish price is 60, then 20 kg will be more than 60. That's why we will multiply. And why we are multiplying 60 into 20? Because we are going to find out the price of 20 kg of swordfish. That's why we will get the answer 1200. Therefore, Gracie would make 1200 by selling 20 kg of swordfish. So, in this question, we have found out the price for 20 kg of swordfish because 1 kg was already given. The price of 1 kg was already given. That's why it became easier for us to find out. Again, students, I will request all of you that if you have already solved this question, then please cross check it, and if you have cross checked it, then please note it down in your school copy, school math copy or notebooks that you have already got from the school. Those who have got from the school, please note it down, and those who have not solved it yet, please again see the video and write it down properly. Okay, thank you students. Stay safe, study hard, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to practice mathematics and don't forget to note it down, note all the questions and solution in your copy.